Today I'm going to share with you how to make this type of 3D metallic chrome text effect in Canva. So let's start with it. So I have chosen YouTube thumbnail as my canvas, and first I am going to change the background to black color. Okay, and after that I will go to text here, click on add a heading, and here I will write chrome. Okay, and after that I will just make it bigger. Okay, and after that I will choose the font as League Spartan. Okay, so it is a bold type of font, so that's why I am using it. And let's keep it here in the middle, and after that I will go to elements, and here I will use this lion icon which says a bold heraldic lion silhouette stands on its hind legs. So this is the design, and I will be using this, and I will just bring it here, change it to white color. Okay, and I will click on flip horizontal. Okay, and I will just make it bigger. Okay, and I will just keep it here, and after that I will just download it. Click on share, click on download, make sure it is in PNG, and click on download. Okay, now click on add page and just re-upload the image. Okay, and after that make the image to the same size as the canvas. Okay, and after that click on edit, scroll down to find style match, click on see all, scroll down to find chrome here. So I hope you have learned something out of this tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.